picture. But those who have those racist types.
Some people.
Right, absolutely. And a lot of people. But, like, Zillow's killed those people in that church.
That was wrong.
That was wrong. Not only that, but right after that, you know, he posted pictures.
Right. So that's him doing that.
Right. But that's what's going on.
How you doing, sir? La Tierra is Plena.
It changes the actual
Gracias.
meaning of that flag.
Right. And look at what it means. I got to pay what it means. All about religion. All about religion.
I totally agree. But
that's his. That's
popular
his view.
Right. That's his view.
That's his view.
And people who do those things.
How you doing today, ma'am? Free information? Hey, you have a great day.
He sat in that church, and then people prayed with him that night.
Yeah, that's right. You know.
Yeah, but his scarred.
Well, he's going to hell for him.
La Tierra is Plena.
He'll get his.
La Tierra is Plena.
You know. Words.
Yeah, it's bad to know that.
Turn good things into bad.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you even having a conversation with me. I do.
You know, I get along with anybody, and I try to be liberal and try to be honest about my, everything.
But now, we don't have to agree.
Right.
How about we just respect each other?
Oh, I do.
You have the right, and I served 20 years in the United States Air Force, and defend your right to have anything you want. Right. But I don't defend your right to disrespect and harm me.
No,
you know,
exactly.
Absolutely.
And I wouldn't expect you to do the same either way.
Yeah. So when we can have this conversation, and everybody go about their own lives and be kind and respect the people, that's what we should do.
I said 12 years ago.
I
should have stayed in.
La Tierra is Plena. Abriendo los ojos.
I was a Plena driver. I've got that.
La Tierra is Plena. No oscuro.
I thought about that so many times. I had working on the team, the guy, it came, so they always do a resizing type of thing. Right. And I told this guy, this young owner, and I said, look, they call everybody down the squadron, and you had to make a decision whether you're going to stay in and get out. Right?
La Tierra is Plena.
I said, look, if you do, always say you're going to stay in. Because if you decide to later get out, they can make you, they can, if we're at war, they could do no law.
How you doing, sir? Free information? Right. Free information, ma'am? Right, thank you. How you doing? Free information?
I wish 1,000 times I would have stayed in. I really did. I wish 1,000 times I would have stayed in the military.
Yeah. And I did. I mean, my thinking was, shit, I gotta work for somebody. Right. So, and the pay was decent. And I was using the chow hall when I was a young guy, and I had, free room and board. Like, oh, okay, that's good.
But I was going to the voice, and I was supposed to go to Turkey. So them came both compound together, and I got out. And I ended up losing my marriage anyway, should have stayed in. So that didn't help out at all.
How you doing, sir? Free information? Earth is not a globe.
I just never did want. I didn't ever want to go over there. You blow that by yourself. It's like a self-blow one. Yeah, I got to wipe it off, but it's blow it by yourself.
How you doing, sir? Would you like some free information? Free information, sir? Right. Earth is not a globe. 200 proofs on that website.
Hey, good chat with you.
Yes, sir.
You have a good day. Good luck to you.
God bless you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
$10 each.
How you doing, sir?
Peachy, how you doing?
Doing great. Giving out some free information?
No, thank you.
All right.
You know what today?
Yep.
That's good.
I can walk and talk on my own.
There you go. Save that money, huh? I got drinks and water for sale too if you need one.
All right, I appreciate that.
A good cold.
Should be picking up here soon.
Yeah, I sure will. Hey, what is that right there? Hey, man.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining. AFE Maori. Nah, Isaiah, it's free. It's all free, brother. Free information. They can get some stickers for free, some business cards, some free videos. They can look at this. We got some more flyers right here. Bunch of banners. Flat Earth University flag. Got the Gleason's map down here.
Doing one?
How you doing?
Which one you doing?
Oh, I'm doing both these tables.
This one?
This one and this one.
Okay.
I have one.
34.
All right.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Hey. Hey, dude. Right behind you. Right behind you.
Behind you.
I may have that picture in the mail soon. Davey House. That Davey
Gotta pay for the table, guys.
I should have it in the mail pretty soon. But I did get one of them.
Should start picking up here soon. We weren't supposed to go live till about 9 o'clock, but I decided to go early so I could get all the bugs worked out. How you doing, sir? Free information? All right, just look into it. How you doing, ma'am? Free information? All right, thank you. Have a good day. How you doing today, sir? Giving out some free information? All right. Free information, ma'am? Okay. Thank you. How you doing, sir? Free information? Free information, sir? Thank you. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. No es giro. Abriendo los ojos. How you doing, sir? Good. Free information?
Oh, no, thank you. Appreciate it.
Right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hey, is that a piece of chalk? Can I borrow that real quick and write on my notes?
Yes, ma'am.
I need a marker, but that will be perfect, so I don't need to. Thanks.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, come on, Jackson.
How you doing today, sir? Giving out some free information? All right, thank you.
Imagine driving a car like that on a racetrack. That would be something. Get in that truck and then do about 210.
That's what they need to do. Bring the whole home.
Oh yeah, definitely. That real fun.
How y'all doing? La Tierra es plana. Free information. Thank you. La Tierra is plana. Got him to turn around. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you, sir. How you doing, sir?
Good, how about yourself?
Doing pretty good. Just giving out some free information today.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Just look into it. Morning.
Damn, it's flowing. Hey, I'll get you. I had to pay for the table. I had your money. I come bring you. He come back, got the money for the table. Huh? What else? Oh, yeah, you're right. Exactly.
How you doing, sir? Free information?
I don't know if you want
Uh-oh, they're setting up next to me selling fishing rods. I might go broke today. La Tierra es plana. Abriendo los ojos por fin. Es verdad. Just look into it. Mira. How you doing, sir?
how you doing? Yeah, I'm trying to find me a lock. Okay, man.
Free information.
I did have one in the truck.
Yeah, I got him about that long. You know them long ones? Oh, I got one in the house. you got to go to my trailer.
Yeah, I got about that long.
Yeah.
I don't have it here though.
Okay.
Yeah, you might find one.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking around. Somebody might have one.
Yeah, sometimes you want to cross through.
This is my first live stream, so bear with me. I'm trying to read all the comments too. How you doing today, sir? La Tierra es plana. La Tierra es plana. Abriendo los ojos.
You like that? You like that, huh?
How y'all doing today? Good? Free information? Thank you. Just look into it.
All right, thank you.
How you doing, ma'am? Giving out free information today?
No, no.
All right, Earth is not a globe.
Try to get that whole here.
How you doing today, sir? Just giving out some free information.
Have a good day, man.
Alright, now inch up a little bit. There you go. Okay, that's good. Now.
The license plate says PCP.
Alright, won't charge you for that. If I start charging people looking, I'll be in trouble, huh?
Alright, hold up. Go back up again.
How you doing, sir? Free information? Right.
Alright, you in there.
Oh, that was her, okay. Oh, now,
Oh, back, go up somebody.
Go back. Hey, I'll back up a little bit. I'll back up to the dash.
Okay, I know you can.
Hey, I'm trying to make sure you got a hold of it. I'll back up. I'll back up a little bit.
Behind me. Oh, I see.
How y'all doing today? Giving out some free information? Learn more about the world we live in. La Tierra es plana. No oscuro. How you doing, sir? Free information? All right. Just look into it.
Yeah.
Should I even approach the people wearing the mask? How you doing, sir? Free information? Right. You can't really be open-minded if they're wearing a mask, right?
You brought your leggings today? Yeah, I sure did. I wanted to get her more, but she ain't gonna be in her shop till maybe an hour or two.
I saved you that table, by the way.
Thank you. I want first look. My niece wants some.
I usually leave a space in between the table when I.
Man, they gonna make me go broke today. They setting up selling some tools over here. There we go. That better voynich. There we go. Sorry about that.
Hey, Bambi, you know what good thing is?
I got to remember to keep looking down at this. Y'all might have missed that last interaction then, since it was froze. Guy took a flyer, said he would look into it. He opened the flyer up, read part of it. You know, that's all it's about, just plant the seed. How you doing, sir? Found some free information today? Right. I guess we tell people the only thing out here that's curved is this table.
It's good. Yeah, I got you.
Everybody down
How's it going?
How you doing, sir? Free information? Free information. What grade you in, buddy?
I'm in 6th.
6th grade. So what do they teach in school? The Earth's flat or round?
Huh?
They teach the Earth is flat or is it round?
I don't know. They haven't even talked about it.
Oh, they don't talk about it? Well, now you can learn the truth right here, since they're not even teaching anything in school.
Also, I remember you gave me one, and I do believe it.
Well, it's not about believing me. It's about looking into it and do the research for yourself. I'm not here to convince anybody of anything. I'm just giving you proofs. You can go out and you can observe for yourself. You can do these little tests.
Mm.
And here's a sheet here. This is stuff you can stand outside and you can do this for yourself, and you can realize the Earth is not a globe. Would you like to see some videos? Would you like to see some videos? It's all for you. So this is weather balloon footage taken at 120,000 feet. As you can see, the Earth is flat. It's not. There's no curve.
Oh, it said there's no curve.
Right. So whenever NASA sends up a camera, they use what's called a fisheye lens. That's why you see a curvature.
Oh, so it's like when with the selfie stick, that it's like it seems like you're on a circular small world.
Exactly. So the lens distorts the image, but this is without a fisheye lens. This is the reality, and this is how the sun and the moon move around our world. This is an app you can download. It's $2. It's called the Flat Earth Sun, Moon, and Zodiac Clock app. And you can see the sun and moon travel around the outside. You can take any of these stickers or anything with you. It's all free. If I pour water in a cup, to drink it, the surface of that water is what? Is it curved or is it flat?
Flat.
All right, let's say I pour water in a bathtub. Is it curved or flat?
Flat.
All right, how about a pond or a lake? Is the surface flat? All right, the ocean?
Flat.
All right, so if the Earth is 70% water, where is it bending into a ball? If 70% of something is flat, how can it be a sphere?
If 75% is what?
Can't be, right? If more than half of something is flat, it can't be a ball.
Oh, now I get it. So the water, so there's about like 76% water and it's all level. That means the rest of the land, it should be flat too.
Right. So if 70% of something is flat, the other 30% is flat.
Yeah,
Can't be a ball.
it could be flat.
Right. You ever seen a sunset when you like walk outside? And people say the sun sets over the horizon, but we can zoom in with a camera. So this is what you see on with your eyes on the right, and on the left is zoomed in. That's what actually happens. So it looks like the sun goes down over the horizon. People attribute that to curvature. But if you look closely here on the left, when you zoom in, the sun just fades away. It doesn't set. That's because it's traveling across the flat Earth, across the plane, like this. And as it fades away, as it gets farther and farther away from you, you can't see it anymore. It's like if I hold a flashlight and I back away from you holding a flashlight, eventually you can't see me no more, the flashlight. Like the same principle. So this sun, it never went over a curve. It just fades out because it's moving away from you. It's not going over a curve. They teach you anything about the solar system in school? No? All right. Well, now you got some good information when they do bring it up in school. I thought by 6th grade they'd at least try to tell you something.
I think in 6th grade, not yet, they're about to teach about space.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, space isn't real. No one's ever been there. And you can take these with you. And you can go home, you can go on this website here, and it gives you all the tools to do the research for yourself. Like I said, I'm not trying to convince you of anything. I just want you to do the research aside for yourself.
It's getting cold. Been out on ice since yesterday.
Although it seems like this would be crazy, but in the other time when people thought that the Earth was flat, when people thought that the Earth was round, that would mean that the people on the south were flat.
Thank you.
Doesn't make much sense, does it? But gravity's holding them down, right? But our clouds can just move in there. Why is gravity not holding them down? How can a butterfly just break free? It's about frequency and density, but they'll teach you that in school.
Well, I do with them. Well, I don't show them about Abriendo.
Do you have any questions?
Is the other planets flat?
We don't know. We can just look up in the sky. We can observe them. We just know that there are lights in the sky as far as the stars. And there's objects up there. But who's to say if they're round or flat? It's like if I were to play pool. You ever play pool? You know?
Nobody's seen it.
So you have like a pool table with the balls on top. So the balls are round, right? But they're above the table. The lights in the ceiling, they're round. But that doesn't mean the table's round. You couldn't play pool if the table was round, right? The table's flat. Just because the object above something are round doesn't mean the object below also has to be round.
Part of one of the CDs about where they're making the song. Where Paul McCartney and John Lennon were saying, "Oh, let's try this part and see if it works." Different things were making the song.
Yeah, I can tear off you one of these stickers. You can take it home with you.
This is sad.
And the research on the flat.
There you go. That's all we ask. Just look into it. Decide for yourself. Thanks for your time, brother. Good to meet you. How y'all doing? Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
I got a London Skinny with a DVD. Old stuff. Yeah. It's yeah, I got Pink Floyd involved, but that's the one I got. Pink Floyd. That's about the one I got.
That's the only one I don't like.
Really? Yeah. Well, yeah.
Thanks, Myron.
I mean, it's got to be something. I can't sit there and listen to it like I
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Right. Dark Side of the Moon actually was the best one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think
Well, it
so.
was on the ring charts.
Yeah.
thought they were talking about space over there for a second. You're talking about the album Dark Side of the Moon.
People listen to it. I listened to it today. Dark Side of the Moon. I mean, I don't have this. I got to get it. I think I had the CD one time. I don't know what happened to it. But
Do I even attempt to give people that are wearing masks these brochures? Is that a waste of time?
But it's Pink Floyd. I mean, they had their own style. They had their own style. I like it. You wouldn't think there'd be a jazz band.
How you doing today, sir? I'm out here. I'm doing great. Just giving out free information to everybody. Just spreading the truth about the world we live in.
Okay.
Just look into it. I'm not here to convince you of anything.
60. Yeah, 60. Yeah, that had to be the 60. How y'all doing today? You doing good? Yeah. Yeah, don't eat for that thing. All right, man, I got to go.
How y'all doing today? Giving out some free information? La Tierra es plana. Abriendo los ojos. No es giro. As for Dodd. La Tierra es plana. Free information. How you doing today?
Good. How you doing?
Doing good. Just giving out free information if you're interested. Earth is not a globe. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Give me $2, you had the bag. They just beat up a little bit. That's why I've had them for a while. They just beat up a little bit.
Earth is not a globe. Free information.
I appreciate it.
All right, thank you. Free information. Free information. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. Earth is not a globe. How you doing today, ma'am? Giving out some free information if you're interested. Free information. Thank you, sir. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. Free information.
No, don't do that now.
I don't want to do that. I do have $4 in my pocket here, so I don't want to put them in the same pocket. I don't want to do that.
I'm seeing.
You know anything about Kyle Petty? Not really. I think it's far about Kyle Petty.
Give us time.
Yeah, I hadn't seen one exactly like this here.
Free information, guys. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Earth is not a globe.
Me too.
Free information, sir. Thank you.
They only make 5,000 of these. They only make 5,000 of those.
All right, you have good.
Thank y'all. Them little plates they just bought, I had no money in them.
Yeah, that's
I gave
good.
him a good deal, make him sound like he's getting a good deal, but I had nobody was giving it to me. I had no money in them, so I just paid $4 off and nothing. I hadn't had no money in them. Well, paid for my table. You know, I was like, I ain't sold all or nothing.
Yeah, the tables were $17 each today.
I was like, you know, that's too much. That's too much. You know, I wouldn't think Saturday and Sunday should be like a set flat fee, $14 at the most. Saturday and Sunday both same price. And Wednesday's $7, and it should be $5. You know, they charge a bit too much for these tables.
There's what, 1,000 tables out here?
Yeah.
This table 917 here.
They probably got 1,000 out here altogether, probably altogether over the whole place. I mean, I can't
So
think
it's $17 a table times 1,000, $17,000 a day.
yeah, it's 17,000 for Saturday and 14,000 for Sunday.
And you know, while we're talking about money, you know how much money NASA gets every day?
I don't know.
$60 million a day.
$60 million at NASA.
hmm
Unreal.
What are they doing with that money? What have they done?
I don't know. I hadn't heard anything good other than fit somebody up, you know, every now and then.
But no one really goes up. They go on a parabola, like in this picture.
Right.
See this picture right here?
Right.
So they launch, and then they go in a parabola, and they come back down in the ocean over here. They're not going anywhere.
Huh. So it was just wasting money.
Yeah.
Millions of dollars wasted. If I eat anything, I'll be right back.
All right, I'll watch the table for you.
Be right back. Won't take long.
Free information, guys. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. How you doing, sir? Doing great.
You know who got this car here?
I have no idea whose car that is, brother. How y'all doing today? Good. Free information on the world we live in. Thank you. Free information, sir? Free information. Got one? Right, just look into it. Giving out free information today? Free information? Earth is not a globe? How you doing, sir? Giving out free information today? Right. Thank you. Free information, sir? Man, he got on 2 masks. You know he can't breathe. How y'all doing today? Free information? Thank you. See, don't mind taking a brochure that I just handled, but they're wearing a mask to protect themselves from corona. How y'all doing today? Giving out free information?
Thank you.
Thank you. Free information, sir? Earth is not a globe. Learn more about the world we live in. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
How's life treating you, man? You okay? Good today?
Free information. La Tierra es plana. No oscuro. Free information. Free information, sir. Free information, ma'am. It's free.
There you go. How's it going?
Free knowledge. How's it going, man? It's all free. Just take what you want. La Tierra es plana. No oscuro. It's free.
Thank you.
Thank you.
perro tampoco no está.
Free information, ma'am? Earth is not a globe. Learn more about the world we live in.
2001.
Right.
I never got rid of it.
Hey, that there.
$3 leggings, one size zero. I know my job. $3 leggings, one size zero, leggings. $3. One size zero, leggings.
Mine's got a little bit of split in it now. I don't know what it is, but I hadn't got it checked out to find out exactly what it is. I got a little bit of glitch in mine now.
I got pissed off one day and they just came out with the new Hemis.
And you grabbed it.
I went down and got it.
I did. I don't blame you.
I still miss that 01. That was a nice truck.
Right. I mean, cold water and cold drinks. Cold water, $2
Free information, y'all. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Abriendo los ojos. Earth is not a globe.
Too high.
Man, it's too much. You're too $1 each. Them things better jump up and down and play basketball with me.
Well, you can have tea for $1.
Huh?
You can have tea for $1.
$2?
Yeah, let's have tea for $1.
Wow. Those are like some delicious tomatoes.
They're not from the grocery store.
Huh?
They're not from the grocery store.
Oh, you had someone pick them up?
They're not grocery store tomatoes.
Earth is not a globe. Free information. Thank you. Free information. Earth is not a globe.
I can't believe you get 5 drinks from me. No,
Free information.
yeah, that's all people do. Okay, that'll work. How's it going, there, man?
Free information. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. Free information, ma'am? Right, thank you.
How's it going, sir?
Free information, sir. Just look into it.
I thought I was making some money. I thought I was going to take my favor. So I didn't make one after that. Take the phone out, hey, I bought a cold. Same guy, same car. That guy tried to get me $75 for like two.
Free information, sir.
I paid 24 to sell it. He was 75. That gonna make me $55 off of him, and he still think he get a good deal. So he said he give me 75 for it. Paid 20 for that one.
Free information, ma'am?
Hey, you gotta pay more money.
Thank you. Just look into it. Free information, sir. Thank you. Just look into it. Earth is not a globe. That last lady that took one, she looked at it, handed it to her son, and told him to look over it. So,
Cold drink, cold water. Diet Pepsi.
La Tierra es plana. Free information. Free information. Earth is not a globe.
Oh, yeah, I've met you guys before.
Oh yeah. We talked. Mr. King.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember you
Yeah, how you doing? I tried to get y'all to do a presentation in front of Starbucks one
at the Socrates Club.
Yeah, with Socrates. Yeah, we meet on Monday nights, but we haven't done it in 3 months now.
I understand. Yeah. I got your email. I'm going to get a couple people together. We'll come down there and we can talk to you.
I don't know if ever the world is going to come back to normal, or not. What do you think?
Let's hope.
Let's hope, yeah. That's a good thing for you to be telling people now, like, what's going to happen here in the future? Will the world ever be the same?
Well, they say, how can the entire world's government be in on a hoax? when we're talking about the flat Earth. And then a pandemic happens, and within 2 weeks, all the world's governments are in on this hoax. So,
Recession?
are all in this hoax.
Oh, in the hoax. Which hoax is that?
So 100,000 people in the United States are dying from corona.
Uh-huh.
How many do you know?
I don't know anybody who died, but I know some people who've had it.
But 100,000 people have died. That's a lot of Americans that have died, and nobody knows anybody.
110,000.
So even more.
You know, they're mostly, you know, about 2/3 of them are old people in like homes and stuff.
Right. So they're dying from pre-existing conditions. They're not dying from getting corona only.
Ultimately, you know, the definition of death is, you know, stoppage of brain or your heart stops. You know, that's how they rule a lot of them. You know?
So there's no healthy people walking around getting corona and then dying. It's just people with pre-existing conditions.
I've seen some. I've read about some. I've seen some in the.
Now, I'm sure the media spreads a couple. You know, there's all kinds of stories on the media.
Yeah. And I don't think it's a hoax, but I know that if you got it right now, you have a 97% survival rate. And not long, you'll have a 99% survival rate.
Yeah, CDC announced the other day 99.7.
Is that right?
So.
But I think you should still fear it. There's a lot of people who are still getting it because of what happened last week and all the protests and everything. If we had not done that, we could have been a lot lower now. What do you think about all those people protesting?
I don't mind people protesting. It's the rioting and the vandalism.
Yeah, that's what I'm probably.
I don't mind, but they're protesting over something that wasn't even real, like the George Floyd video. I mean, it obviously wasn't real. It's fake.
Oh, George, what's his name again?
George Floyd, the video where.
Are you saying that's fake? He didn't really get murdered?
So in the last 10 minutes that you've been walking up and down the flea market here, how many words of profanity have you heard? Just in passing. I've heard a couple in the last 10 minutes, just in passing. But in that video, you've got a whole bunch of people watching someone get murdered and no one utters a word of profanity. The gas prices in the background said $1.89 at the Speedway, yet that day in the entire state of Minnesota, there was no Speedway with gas prices higher than $1.55.
I didn't see a gas station in the background, man.
You have to watch the video again.
I tried not to watch that video. It bothers me to watch it.
Well, now that you know it's not real. How come the paramedics, when they got out the ambulance, were wearing bulletproof vests?
I don't remember seeing that either.
Might need to watch it again.
I'm just tired of people. I'm tired of people pushing that video and talking about that event.
Well, see,
I'm staying away from it.
That's the point. It's a video like that. How many other videos were you seen where someone died that they show on the news and just keep pushing over and over again? They don't show all these videos
I'm
over
really
again.
surprised at NBC News. That's the news I usually watch, and how big a story they made of that. And I just not watching NBC News because of it. I don't want to hear that story anymore. There's a lot more people dying out there for other vicious or noble reasons, you know.
This is true. But no, I'm not worried about a virus. I'd be more worried about drunk drivers dying. How many people died in our state last year from...
We're one of the highest for dying from drunk drivers.
Yeah, over 1,000 people.
But that's per capita, by the way. We're one of the
per
highest
capita.
Per capita.
But how many people in South Carolina have died from corona this year?
This year, about 500, I think.
Right, so more people are dying from drunk drivers, but twice as many people are dying from that, but nothing's being done about it. We didn't shut the economy down and say, don't sell beer anymore.
You know, they ought to start encouraging alcohol consumption, really.
So if something's causing twice as many deaths, then we're not concerned about it at all. And it's not just killing old people, it's killing indiscriminately.
Yeah.
And we don't care about it, then why do we care about something that shut down the entire state for months?
So what's your solution?
My solution is you live your life like normal and stop listening to all the nonsense that's being spread by the news.
That's a good point. Good point.
I mean, I can look around here and I can talk to people like you, and I can talk to this fellow over here, and if nobody knows anyone, I mean, there's only so many people in the U.S. If 110,000 people have
A
died.
friend of mine was in the hospital with it. They recovered.
But the death numbers are inflated to scare people. And if you incite fear into a population, they're easier to control.
Yeah, I figured I'd
You know, sometimes it might be better to do what you say and just take the risk of getting it, or go ahead and get it, because you'll never get it again, and society will never have the epidemic of that virus again. And sometimes the epidemic of worrying is worse.
Right. But you're worrying now.
Well, I only put this on my friends said, get your mask, so I got one. I wouldn't have wore it.
Right. But see how it works. They scare one person,
Yeah.
and then he peer pressures other people into doing what they say.
Oh, yeah.
They don't really have to enforce anything, because the people will enforce it on themselves if enough people are scared.
Right.
Whereas you didn't want to wear one, but your friend pressured you into doing it.
Right.
So you're out here wearing
my
one.
girlfriend's the biggest nag in the world about that. It wasn't her who did it to me today, but I went down to 5 Points last night. First time in months. And we stayed away from everybody. When the crowd started picking up, we finally left about sundown.
Yeah, I'm sure.
But she was afraid I even went down there last night.
Great sample. Yeah, they ain't no good.
I'll get some people together. We'll come by and talk to you. We can bring by some videos like this where we can show you that, you know, the Earth is not curved. It's 120,000 feet.
Isaiah.
Wait till my friend gets here. He's with me. He's a doctor. He teaches philosophy at college in Savannah.
Mm-hmm.
He's a doctor of philosophy. He's a college professor.
They will fit me, would he?
He'd love to talk to you about that.
Great. I'm love to talk to anyone.
He wearing one of those things, no.
He was right behind me a little while ago. I don't know what happened.
He's probably trying to keep 6 feet from you. Once you move away about 6 feet, I'm sure he'll come over here.
Has it got a speaker in there?
No, it's just a video.
Oh. I think I've seen this video online. You have a website, right?
We do, Flat Earth 101, but we're getting a new one up. It's called the globelylounge.com.
I think I've seen this one. And I have a cataract in one eye. Hey, there's Colin right now. This is the Flat Earth people I was telling you about.
How you doing, Colin?
You believe the Earth is really not round, and it's a hoax. Right.
Well, no, we don't believe that. We know that. We can prove it.
Okay. And also the coronavirus, is that a hoax too?
The death numbers are inflated. Is there a virus out there? Well, yeah. People are contracting it, but it's not what they say it is.
Where are you going?
Scared of the truth, and he's keeping 6 feet from you.
You're a different person. Yeah. Next time, what's your name again?
Tommy,
Tommy, I'm Jay.
it's good to meet you, Jay.
I'm not shaking hands right now, but
All right.
Tommy, good to see you.
All right.
Y'all in the middle of the
He passed the test. I was going to shake his hand, see if he'd shake my hand.
But everything's there. It's just
That's good information. If a virus disintegrates 80 degrees and above, what's 80 degrees and above out here right now?
yeah, I laid out. That was still
Free information, guys. Free information. Earth is not a globe. The Earth is flat and stationary. How y'all doing? Free information? All right. The globe is a lie. I know, that's what we believe in too. Free information, sir. Free information. Earth is not a globe. 200 proofs on that website.
Jackson, come on.
Just look into it.
Now you got a model.
No, it's not flat.
You know it is. La Tierra is Plena. Did you look into it?
Yeah.
What'd you look into?
The last time I got so high was round.
Oh, okay, because you was high. That's why I was round.
How you doing, my man?
How you doing? You been staying safe? I ain't seen you in a while.
I'm always there. Always there. What you got new?
We're coming out with a new website, theglobalolounge.com.
Okay.
And we got a couple new banners, but mostly the same stuff here. But we got a couple new videos.
Yeah, I watch the videos and everything.
Oh, they're still offering $220,000. The prize went up now. Anybody that can prove Earth's a globe is $220,000. Just log on Flat Earth Millionaire on YouTube.
Yeah.
Take the challenge. If you can prove it's a globe, get the money.
Well, you can.
You can't prove it though. That's the problem. Be safe. Free information.
Man, I like this guy. There you go on the model, huh? You go on the model those.
Yeah, right. Model for her man. Thank you.
Free information.
Yeah, I woke up 7, 10, and I No, not the bed. It's out. Yeah, it's
I think next time when I come out, I'm going to bring a radio playing Flat Earth Man. Conspiracy music guru. Free information, ma'am? What? Free information. Earth is not a globe. 200 proofs. Free information, sir? Oh, Plague Zero, you were saying it was hard to get some knives. Well, plenty of them. You get all the knives you want, buddy. Free information. Free information, sir? All right. Earth is not a globe. Free information, ma'am. Man, a lot of people out here with masks on.
Leggings, $3, 2 for $5.
Free information.
I can recognize you even without the,
It's all free. Free information.
the eyes in the hair. Something about the eyes. And the physique sort of too.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Take care. Leggings.
Free information, ma'am?
Leggings, $3, 2 for $5. Get your leggings.
Have you heard about Flat Earth? You never heard about it? So you still believe it's a globe? You still believe Earth's a globe? That it's a sphere?
Ain't no way I come outside with that on.
Well, we believe it's round, but round like this. You ever pour water in a glass? The surface of the water is always level. The same in a bathtub, a pond, a lake. The water is always level. The surface. So if the Earth is 70% water and it's always level, where does it bend into a ball? Just something to look into. I'm not here to convince anybody of anything. I'm just giving you the tools to do the research for yourself. Thank you. Free information. Right. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. I mean, it's fine. They heard what I said, though. So the seed was planted. They'll think about it later. I mean, a lot of people walk by, they've never heard anybody tell them that. So they might think about it, look into it. And if they do, they'll realize that Earth is not a globe. How you doing today, sir? Giving out free information? Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Earth is flat. Free information. I'll give you one of these to look at while you're here all day.
Earth is flat, you know.
Gravity is magic.
Yeah, everything works with buoyancy and density. Free information, guys. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. Abriendo los ojos. That's for Dodd. Just look. Mirror. Okay. Thank you. Free information. Free information.
I'm good, thank you.
All right, thank you. Free information, sir? Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. Free information. Earth is not a globe.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, how's it going?
You all right?
Good to see you.
Where's your buddy?
He's on the way. Should be a bunch more people on the way. I just got started a little early today.
That's good.
I know a lot of people get out here before it got hot.
You ain't lying. Might get a warmer day, huh? Good been last week. There wasn't many people.
I came by last week and I just kind of walked around here a little bit. I didn't really set up a table or anything. Just handed out some flyers to the people that work here.
There's a lot of people. Wednesday wasn't much. They thought it was gonna rain, but it didn't. Morning. They watch the weather. They run for the weather, and you can't believe the weather.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Forecaster.
That's a job I should have went into. You could be wrong half the time and keep your job.
Still make money. Still make money.
So how you been?
I can't complain. I don't bother.
Good to see you not wearing a mask and falling for none of that nonsense.
Finally, that old, what's his name? Fucci. Finally, he got on, made a statement, said he got to see he was wrong. I couldn't believe it. He admitted he was wrong. People lied to him. That thing's a form of coal. Coal's been around millions of years, thousands of years. And, you can't catch it. So, anyway, I don't know if any virus can jump 10 feet.
No, you're right.
And people really got scared.
Well, that's what it's all about. If you create fear and divide people, you know, it's easy to control.
Oh, yeah.
Same with this. You know, you lie to them and make them afraid of things like asteroids hitting us and things like that. You know.
Well, it was like scriptures. I've been a lot of funerals. That's when I went to this guy, preacher, he actually contradicted himself. First he said, this person's going to die, they were straight down, that baby was Jesus, talking Aunt Mary, all this stuff. At the end of his sermon, he says, oh, we all got to be resurrected to meet Jesus. I told him, but I said, he just contradicted himself. And they go back to the word, hell, that's another word they don't look up. That's unknown place. It doesn't mean a burning fire. Unknown place.
Yeah.
You got to have a resurrection. It's like over there saying Elijah, God took him up to heaven. Well, look at that word heaven up. 7 years later, he sent a message to the king over another part of the country.
Yeah. Yeah.
He didn't like that I did that the other week.
I never even thought about that. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
See, they'll read the Chronicles and Second King. 7 years later, the new king, he sends a message: if you don't straighten up, God's gonna send a plague on him. He didn't straighten up again what kind of plague it was. Stomach just fell out. Hey.
It's a rough plague.
Well, this is a man-made here.
Man-made and not what they say it is.
So,
Definitely not that many people dying.
but they lie, see. If you went to the hospital, you died of a heart attack or whatever, they put down that virus. They would throw $34,000 from the government. A lot of these doctors quit doing it, they wouldn't do it. Hey, one guy, they had died at home, actually turned blue, had a heart attack. Took him to the hospital, they put down and died from the virus. He said, I want a death through a chain. He didn't die from it wrong. That's what they were doing.
They try to inflate the numbers. The higher the number, the more scared the masses will be.
People will believe it. In China, they're selling a bunch of masks. What about that?
Funny how that works. Their economy's going all right.
Well, they started back shortly after that. It was 95%. People over here react to it. They gonna make a virus and I'm gonna buy their mask?
No.
No way. They don't do research, do they? Nobody does any research.
Yeah, I need to get rid of the ones that say research flat Earth, because you can't really research flat Earth. If you type in flat Earth into Google, you're not going to get the real stuff. You're going to get the fake stuff.
That's right.
So we're starting a website called thegloballounge.com. It should be up and running soon, and we're going to change everything to that. Because I mean, just telling people to research flat Earth, that's just a waste of time. It might plant a seed in their head thinking about flat Earth, but if they go to research it, they're going to get the wrong information and think it's nonsense.
It's like going to the moon.
How many people have left our atmosphere?
Yeah, 1969, I think, when it supposedly went to the moon.
Yeah, but now the moon's inside our atmosphere, NASA says. They said the Earth's atmosphere extends beyond the moon. If the atmosphere of the Earth is beyond the moon, then the moon's in our atmosphere. So technically, no one's ever, even under their claims, no one's ever left our atmosphere.
No, they haven't.
If you look at like the Icon satellite that NASA launched, they said it was 360 miles up. And they said it was monitoring the upper ionosphere. And the area that it's in is neither space nor the atmosphere. So the ISS is 254 miles up. NASA just said at 360 miles up, you're not in space. So how is the space station in space when they just said it's not space? Even with their numbers. Obviously we know it's not real.
And people believe whatever they hear on the news. That's always a fake news. My old man told me in 1969, he said, they didn't go to the moon. He never even finished school. He was that smart than a lot of people. He said, same thing. I haven't seen a 360 degree him with that. That's
right.
69, he didn't even go to school. He knew better than that.
One that gets me is that photo from Apollo 11 they claim is real. And let's just say this is the moon. I know it's not the moon because it's yellow. I've been using it as a sun model, but they landed, if we're looking at the moon in the sky like this, Apollo 11 landed right here. Now when they take the photo of the Earth, they take a photo and the Earth is over here on the horizon, coming up. But the moon is tidally locked to the Earth, so it's always facing this way. So if you were to take a picture from the Apollo landing site, the Earth would always be up. The Earth's not over here. This is tidally locked. So their model no longer works with the picture.
Well, up to the 1600th century, they thought that the sun rotated around the Earth. Up to the 1600s.
They thought that the Earth was flat up until, recently. There was a court case in the 1900s, in the early 1900s, where a teacher was arrested for teaching that the Earth was a globe. So there was still a debate in the early 1900s.
Okay. Time going, people are supposed to get smarter, but a lot of them not.
Yeah, but meanwhile, they can look up in the sky. Like today, this morning, you can look up in the sky and you see the sun and the moon in the sky at the same time. So, if you see the sun and the moon in the sky at the same time, how often do you see that? Because if you can see both in the sky at the same time, that means on the other side of the planet, if the Earth is a globe, you can see neither. So at some point, they're getting both in the sky, and we get none. So it should be equal.
Well,
So
I've been up in a,
would you say that you see the sun and the moon in the sky together more or less than when you don't see either? But they should be equal.
should be equal.
But
I've
they're
seen-
not.
I've seen, been up a lot of airplanes. And you know what Earth looks like when you're up in the air.
I do. I used to fly airplanes.
That looks like a quilt. Right?
go this way, things down this way, hell, I go the other way.
People, they get, tell them something, they get it, they're going to believe it. And all these place preachers, they supposed to have place now. They hide behind the mask, they show up. It's a money gig.
Yeah, definitely. They're getting $60 million a day.
Money gig.
Free information? Thank you.
Everything used inline filter and everything.
Free information to go with your carburetor?
I don't reckon. Thank you.
There you go. Appreciate it. Yeah, definitely, guys. I want to put the conspiracy music guru and flat earth man out here playing. We're doing our first live stream today.
Really?
Yeah.
Y'all got, maybe you ought to get some Spanish cards.
There are 31 people watching.
Get it from Sam. Get it from Sam.
How you been, man?
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
You alright?
Yeah, good to see y'all doing well.
They're doing good. I can't
Warm,
complain.
ain't it?
It is. That's why I got this tent today. I ain't trying to stand out here and be 90 degrees.
The breeze helps.
Oh, yeah.
The breeze helps. Looks like over in the book of Job. He talks about, I forgot what chapter it is, but the wind had weight. They knew that a long time ago. But all the water, you had the flood, because I personally don't believe the world like flood. I think it was the world, back then you put the world down, that could be a locality, it could be the cosmos, a lot of different meanings.
Look at this shirt coming up. It's a Nissan shirt. What is that? It's like NASA, but it says Nissan.
Nissan.
What's going on, man?
And
What's up with that shirt? What's that mean? Nissan. 40s and Shorties space program. Head in the clouds. Never heard of that. You might be interested in reading this.
Right on.
Earth is not a globe. No one's going to space. Space is fake.
I'll tell you what, some lawyer in town by the name of Mason.
Yeah, I don't know what Nissan is.
Well, you look it up, it's a lawyer in town, Columbia, law firm out of Mason.
It says, well, it says on the shirt, 40s and Shorties space program.
I don't know how people read them mass. You breathe all that carbon back in your system.
Yeah, I know, right?
You take too much carbon. You're in trouble.
Yeah, people passing out, driving, wearing masks. You ever see the people where they're riding in the car by themselves and they're, they're wearing a mask? I'm like, who are you protecting yourself from? Yourself?
Both of them wear a mask and man alive.
Don't make no sense. And I bet when they get home, they don't have on masks. But when they car together, they wear a mask, like protecting from each other.
Can't talk much. Not real well.
Yeah, there was a fella trying to talk to me out here earlier, man, wearing a mask. And he was saying he was woke, you know, looking into stuff. And I'm like, and you wearing a mask? He said, oh, I'm only doing it because somebody told me to. I'm like, you know, you just gonna do everything somebody tells you to?
I go 3 years ago, that heavy rain, we had that flooding. Haley got on said that was a 1,000-year flood. She didn't know what she was talking about. I got a picture of night, wait, Jerry Street, water was above the bridge. Thank you.
That wasn't 1,000 years ago.
Oh, she didn't look. And it's...
Free information, guys. Free information. Earth is not a globe.
She didn't even look it up.
No?
Couldn't have jumped that.
It's all right.
1908. Above Jerry Street Bridge. They built a bunch of condos over on this side of the river. No one, I went down there when it tried to get down when it flooded. You couldn't even get in the parking lot. Them houses, they don't flood. They changed the environment. All the turtles is gone further down the river. They're leaving. Close they build, they move.
Free information. Free information, guys.
A lot of zombies today.
Yeah, a lot of zombies. You're right.
We'll check it later. Have a good one.
All right.
I'll be back.
Okay, we'll have some more people out here later.
All right.
Hey, you found some DVD. Hey, you don't want any alcohol in there.
Free information. Thank you, ma'am. Free information, sir? Giving out free information. Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. Abriendo los ojos. Es verdad. No es quiero. I'm gonna try to wake that fella up. He got on like a super mask. Yeah, zombie land, exactly. Man was right. Said a lot of zombies out here today. Free information. Free information, ma'am?
Thank you, sir.
Giving out some free information. La Tierra es plana. Gracias. Free information, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I can ease that. I'm smart enough.
Free information. Earth is not a globe.
Jeff Gordon's rookie car.
Nice.
And Jeff Gordon's rookie car. And of course, you know what that is. Alan Quickie. That is, I paid $5 for it. That thing's worth more than that.
Nice.
But that is Mark Martin's. It's Mark Martin. Pretty neat. $5.
24 karat gold.
Mm-hmm.
How much you pay for it?
$5.
That's pretty good.
And my 447 10,000 certificate and everything with it. Just put my collecting stuff. That's what I do. I just put my things like that I buy at home. I don't sell it. Take it home. So check this out.
Information. Free information, sir. La Tierra is plana. Free information.
Okay. I said it was wide.
Oh, I like that. Plague Zero, not a scientific achievement. What about that Nason shirt? What's that mean? It said 40s and shorties, Nissan. Nice.
Now $99.99. Hey, but you know,
Free information.
I like that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just look into it. Not trying to convince you of anything. And if you have any questions, I got videos and all kinds of stuff. Free information. Earth is not a globe. 200 proofs. Free information. Free information, sir? Thank you. Good gracious. It says SWAT. I don't think that's a SWAT team. Free information. Earth is not a globe.
I showed you this other cord. I didn't show you the one I brought today.
Earth is not a globe. Free information. Free information. Trying to wake people up. Would you like something to read while you wait today? While you out here working? There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I thought about this. Antarctica too, they don't let nobody go near there.
Mm-mm.
I heard the seeds and everything, all the real vegetables and produce seeds are there.
He'll make him blow money.
And they
Tell him
tryna-
I'm sorry. I'll send her a check next week.
Oh yeah.
All right, man.
There's all kind of
He's
truths
on
out there.
earth for nothing.
Exactly.
Them greedy, filthy rich want to stay rich. They don't even want blacks and whites to ever get together.
Nope. They're trying to do everything they can do to divide us.
That's right. And whatever they're doing is working. You believe it?
Yeah.
Enough is enough. Thank you.
Thank you. See, a lot of people seem to know what's going on. They just don't want to really talk about it publicly, but when you get them one-on-one, they realize what's going on.
A cold drink of cold water.
Free information. Earth is not a globe.
Cold drink, cold water.
La Tierra is Plena. Free information.
How you doing?
Free information, sir. Thank you.
Leggings, $3. Leggings. Leggings, $3.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this out of my neighbor. My neighbor, Big Jeff Gordon fan. That's a rookie car. That's when he drove the Bush Grand National. Not before he come to NASCAR. That's the Bush Grand National car. 92. Baby Ruth.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. La Tierra es plana. Abriendo los ojos. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Pick that up. That's a cold one too. Thank you for your service.
Appreciate that.
How you doing, sir?
All right.
Giving out free information.
You retired? You retired now?
Disabled.
Disabled?
Mm-hmm.
How many years you served?
3.
3?
Mm-hmm.
I gave him 12.
Okay.
Gave him 12 years. When I was a teenager, I joined at 17 years old.
I did too.
How you doing, sir?
17. Yep.
Giving out some free information today.
Yes, sir.
Just look into it.
I didn't want it to either.
Free information.
I don't want time for you to go to war and die.
I told her I'll find daddy if you want.
Free information.
That's even what it is. I go to daddy.
Take care.
All right, man.
Free information, sir. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Free information. La Tierra es Plena. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
You have to put on something like that. You got a number. A big number. You guys don't got it. Yeah. That's what you need.
Busy out here?
A little bit. Not a whole lot. I ain't done a whole lot. Pretty good last weekend, but I ain't done much today. Hopefully I get better.
Free information, man. Earth is not a globe.
I've seen them things hanging out the back of the car. I said, what the heck is that?
Free information. The Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es Plena. Free information. Free information. Earth is not a globe. They're free. Free information. Earth is not a globe. The Earth is flat. La Tierra es Plena. Free information.
I've got about 3,000 or 4,000 probably.
More than that.
I think it's at least 3,000 or 4,000 or more. Think about it. 15, 20 years from now, you won't be able to buy one.
Yeah.
You won't be able to buy nothing to play them.
It'll probably wind up being like VHS.
Right? You won't be able to find nothing to play them. You won't be able to find DVD because they're going to have things on those.
Free information, sir. Thank you.
Stuff like hard copy, good VCR now.
Right. I got DVD, VCR together, and I tell you what, it's a good one too. It's a good one.
Nobody touches it, right?
How you doing?
It's a good one. It has a big old long control. My control is about 8 inches long.
Yeah.
Hey, $30 for it, I think.
Free information, man. Earth is not a globe. Free information, man. Earth is not a globe.
Yeah, I like listening. I listen to a lot of old music. I got a lot of music. I'm online. I ain't talking too much. I get what I want. I get things I want.
Free information, guys. La Tierra es Plena. Free information. Free information. We're spinning 1,000 miles an hour. Can you feel it? Anybody feel it? Free information. Free information. Learn more about the world we live in. Free information, guys. Free information. La Tierra es plana. Sí, es verdad. Abriendo los ojos. Free information. Free information, sir. La Tierra es plana. La Tierra es plana. Free information. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Thank you, sir. Just look into it. Free information, sir. How you doing? Free information. Free information, sir. Thank you. Earth is not a globe.
That's less than what I got in on it. So, but you said you're trying to find a basket, so I was trying to get you the deal. You gotta go look for it. That's what it's called. See if they don't get eaten up.
Go ahead and save that one from the trash can. I mean, if you don't want it, don't take it. You need to take it and walk 5 feet away, throw it away.
Right, because they don't turn red. They ain't got the taste.
Free information.
I had a book right here. Oh, shit. I had them right here. Thank you. No, I just set them down there. Oh, shit. I put it in my pocket most times.
Free information, guys. Earth is not a globe.
Yeah.
All right, I got to get to my truck. I think I sold that little air conditioner I bought.
Free information, sir. Earth is not a globe. 200 proofs. Free information. It's free. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Have a good one, Randy.
All right, sir. Step back and say, hey. Coffee.
Yeah, a lot of people.
Nobody buying though.
Yeah, nobody buying. Nobody got no money. Nobody been working.
Cold drink, cold water. You want? Cold drink, cold water. How's it going today? Your bunch. Marcus?
Free information. Earth is not a globe. I tried up there, just not as big as a crowd. The tables here are cheaper. You can first come, first serve out here for the tables. Up there, you got a reserve table. I'd rather come out here and talk to, 4,000 or 5,000 people and spread the truth than, just a few hundred.
I know the probably early apostles they had their opinions, but they wrote history, probably said a lot of stuff out too.
A lot of it's changed.
A lot was bad about that.
She gave me like 15 of them. I didn't eat all those. So
But thing that found the Christians persecuted them, and they
I sold the last one.
over them about that.
$2.
Imagine using people as a torch.
Mm.
Kill thousands. Definitely could kill millions. There's a group called the Republicans. They follow you.
For your information.
Paul has a pistol. And they had them dispersed, killed, put them in different countries and busted them all up. They don't teach them in Paul. Blade to brace, stab it.
I ain't made nothing. I don't get paid a Wednesday, so I'm getting to the end of my month for my paycheck. So I'm down to the nitty gritty. Yeah, and I've spent a lot of shit last month. Buying NASCAR stuff.
They still guess how old Earth is, ain't they?
Yeah.
Do what?
They're still guessing how old Earth is. Universe.
Yeah, they still guessing. They said they got the carbon dating, but I don't know if I believe all that.
Can't always believe that.
Of course, it changes all the time. They make up one thing, then the next week it'll be something different.
Yep.
For your information, sir. Boy, they cooking up that barbecue back there. You smell that?
I smell it.
It smell good. They got right across the way over there, they got some pork skins and some diced pig's feet. They got all kinds of good stuff.
Smelling good at it.
Sure does. Oh, hello.
Hello.
These are short videos about the earth that we live on. You just click play and look at them. For information.
Talking about it for sale.
Probably worth about $25. Probably $25.
I'd give them all away to somebody if I knew it would wake them up. I mean, that's all that's important, waking people up.
I bought it because
Well,
I haven't seen anything like that in Walmart. I don't have
they're
it
gonna wake up to Jesus.
No.
Got their own
I got rid
bylaw.
of a car I shouldn't have a Walmart. I kicked myself in the tail. Still thinking about it. Kicked myself in the tail.
They charge $250 or something. Somebody uses baptism.
But
Fellowship all they want to charge
one
you.
of the cars, it was heavy,
Why you charge me? I
I
said,
never seen one that heavy.
these people need it, and they can't afford the baptism once you let them come in.
Heavy.
Oh, we got to pay for water. You ain't paying much for water.
Any car I've ever had.
You waste more than that.
Heavy.
Yeah, for real.
Man, somebody bought my guitar.
I thought you were supposed to help people.
Somebody bought my guitar. Hey.
Are they really about helping people though?
I don't know. I didn't ask what it was for.
They just say that
They had a couple of years.
because they feel like that's the right thing to say.
I don't know why it's real loose. His guitar, yeah, that's his guitar. He told it. I looked at it this morning.
You better get you that Paw Patrol stuff while you still can over there. Heard they getting rid of that Paw Patrol.
Really?
All right, that'll work, man. That's probably why. Probably what he did, yeah. Maybe what he did.
For your information,
Somebody was asking for Diet Pepsi.
Earth is not a globe.
I figured I'd bring some Diet Pepsi this time. Good.
Had a few good conversations out here today, but still early. Hadn't really picked up yet.
One guy was there the other week, so a couple months ago.
Well, altogether it's going to be 50.
Work this thing. Sometimes I can see, sometimes I can't.
Right.
Oh, this is just a battery pack.
Yeah.
For your information, guys, Earth is not a globe.
I was going to buy it. I should have had two of them.
How y'all doing today? Doing great. You're spreading truth. Earth is not a globe. Earth is flat and stationary. The wind's taking the flyers.
Ooh.
You gotta look, you see things 5,000 or less, numbers wise. That's a good number.
That's a good idea.
5,000, how many people, well, you figure how many people we got, right about
put
5,000,
these-
so how many people have one of those, you know? Only 5,000 out of the whole United States. Whereas for how many others?
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. La Tierra es plana.
Cold drinks, cold water.
Yeah, I had a couple people already called. They said they're not coming in today.
Ooh. Freaked a lot of people out of there.
Yeah. I still got a few people going to show up, though. I think you met Vinny. He's going to come out.
He's all right.
And La, you met him. He's supposed to be out. Calvin be out.
Oh, yeah, good. We'll be back.
All right. See y'all later.
All right.
It won't be the house.
Free information, man. Free information. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana.
That dog eat.
Free information.
How y'all doing?
How y'all doing today? Doing great. Free information.
$3 a ticket for 5. It's on the way back. It's coming back now.
Earth is not a globe. Free information.
What's got there?
Oh, Nason's back.
Native to what? Amtrak. Oh, Amtrak conductor. Where's that from?
What trade set? That's it. That's about the jacket. Take it off. Before he leaves, I can walk back down.
Oh, I get it. It says nah, son. It's not Nason. It's nah, son.
The hat was okay. Hat don't think worth anything. Exactly really worth that. Hat worth that. Yeah, I mean,
That man's how about nah, son?
Okay.
all right, man.
Free information.
How you doing? Cold drink or cold water?
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Earth is flat and stationary. 200 proofs.
All right.
Just look into it.
I will read it.
That's all we ask.
All right, I bought something else last week.
I used to cool me down.
There you go. How you doing? Cold drink, cold water?
Free information, sir? Free information, sir.
Ready for it now, ain't you? All right. Okay.
Free information. La Tierra es plana. Gracias. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information? Thank you, ma'am. See, guys, it's not hard. Just get out here and do it. Print you up some flyers, hand them out to people, plant seeds. Nobody's out here making fun of me. There's no arguments going on, no yelling. You'd be surprised how civil, open-minded people are. It's not like you see on the news.
Kind of warm.
Too bad, ain't too bad though.
Oh, I tell you what, that's cold. That yeah, that feels good though.
Oh yeah, it's
I ain't gonna run
Earth is not a globe. Earth is flat. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Free information, guys? Check this out. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Thank you, ma'am. Free information? Thank you. Check this out. Check this out, brother. Earth is not a globe. This tent was a good idea. It was blazing out here. Here you go, sir. Free information.
He
About?
like stories, so he's kind of pretty selective what he gets.
The man's shirt said Trump 45 because the 44 didn't work. Free information? La Tierra is Plena.
Thank you.
De nada. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
How's it going, man? Everything good over today? Well, you
It's all right. It's all right.
Hey, you set up today?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see what you had. That's mad.
That's done. This is an old one. This is an old one here. You got a couple more?
Here?
Free information. La Tierra is Plena. Free information?
I'll talk with you though.
Hey, I did say they didn't sell that lie. I think that now. But I didn't really, I knew they didn't want to sell. That's why I saved 60 because I didn't really want to sell it. The guy come up and Sunday out. Yeah, well worth what you had for, well worth it. But what all you got over the day? You got anything good?
All right, you too, Effie Mary. Free information. Thank you. Right, no problem.
I'll hit you up with it, you know. I got it. I'm big.
Earth is not a globe. Free information. I know you looked into it. I don't know how.
I let it go for 60.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Free information, sir. Free information. Free information, sir.
I paid. I got one. I got one just like in the house. I paid $54 for it. It's a mint condition. Everything mint condition. I'm gonna show you how you one. Here. Take this one out.
Earth is not a globe. Free information. Won't hurt to take a look at it.
Beautiful car. Wait, one foot ten. Old Kobe. Yeah, that's it. I like the old Circumference. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think whatever. Yeah. Right.
Mine's hammer.
Yeah, and it ain't like I said, it ain't the same now.
I didn't know that the hammer.
Got a couple of Daytona with credit cards. Yeah.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
That's mine.
Hey, you can have one too.
Mine.
You can have one too.
If you come here a whole 4 weeks of the month, that 4 weeks you can get a half price.
You have one in your hand and do one of these. Let it absorb the radiation. There's magnetism in there.
How about now? Can y'all see it now? Yeah. Oh, I hope y'all heard that whole speech that lady gave. Were you able to hear that speech that lady gave about slapping people driving down the road? All right, looks like we're good now. Still buffering a little bit though. Oh, y'all missed it. Oh man, that lady had an epic speech over here. This lady over here was just talking about people driving down the road wearing masks. She said she just wants them to roll down the window so she can slap it off their face. Oh man, y'all missed it. That was a good one. She's talking about wake up people. Don't believe what you hear. She said the news don't always tell you what to do is beneficial. Free information. Tierra. Free information.
I think I done got one.
You got one? Did you look into it?
A little bit.
A little bit? What'd you think? Don't know still? All right, hey, it takes time.
I heard the words for somebody, and I fixed that.
Free information. See, they're wearing masks. I'm not wearing a mask. I'm holding brochures and touching them, and then they take them and touch them. Don't really make much sense. Giving out free information, man. Thank you. Look into it.
Back in the old days, it was different.
You know, but you don't.
They had an ingredient. Thank God they were having a war, but.
Free information. Right. Earth is not a globe.
Cowboy band. I've been to cowboy band since 1972. All right. There you go. Me too.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. 200 proofs. I'll just show the table again for those interested in seeing it. All right, I'll do that one next. NASA is faking space travel. NASA's faking space travel. Learn more. He didn't buy that one. Thank you. Free information. NASA's faking space travel. Free information. Learn more today.
I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you. Tierra Plena. Tierra Plena. Free information.
No, this guy died. Really? Yeah.
NASA's faking space travel. Free information. All right, thank you. That didn't seem to work, Isaiah. Free information. Free information. Tierra Plena. NASA's faking space travel. Learn more today. I don't know, man. They're not buying that one. Oh yeah, they took Elmer Fudd's gun away. Yeah, he's gonna be going hunting with a sickle now. You see that? Yeah, they said they had to take away the violence out of Looney Tunes. They took away the guns from Yosemite Sam and Elmer Fudd, but they left the dynamite in there. Mm.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's great stuff.
Thank you.
Sure.
I missed your speech a while ago. Tell me more about the mask and the people driving down the road. This road.
I mean, in my neighborhood, I see people in nice clothes driving. Oh, looking all cool. My eyes are looking like you stupid fool. I ain't looking because your car is cute. I'm looking because you stupid.
Hey, you want water?
You're right about that. I mean, who they trying to protect themselves from? They the only one in the car.
Come on. And if you're going to wear gloves in the store and bring them in your car and put them on your steering wheel, duh.
Yeah.
You're transmitting germs. You're not, I mean.
Gloves really not good.
Hands
clean, though. You got to keep your hands clean.
And then you end up skin peeling. You know what I'm saying? Just imagine if you're washing dishes for a long time. You see what happens?
Yeah.
You're tearing up that outside layer.
See, there's more woke people around you, believe. Free information. El Mundo no es quiero.
Doctors be making that money. Everything, right?
Free information. La Tierra Plena.
I'm sorry, mister.
One of the ladies told me to give me $3 instead of 4, but I ain't say nothing.
Oh,
We
man.
was talking. I didn't know.
Yeah.
Who that lady over there? Hey, where's Sharon at? She's here? Tell her I'm gonna get her. Cause she probably stuck in the bag. That's why
Earth is not a globe. Free information. Free information. All right, King, I got something for you. Got something for you, King. All right, now. Free information.
I already have one. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Cold drinks, cold water.
What's up, bud? Think of any more questions? You think of any more questions?
How do we know if the Earth is flat? Then how do we know where is north?
Well, north is in the center, right here. Here's a map. This is north, right here. And no matter where you are, that's north. Right there in the center, the North Pole. The compass always points up there toward the north. And this is east and west. These rings here are east and west. Anything circular around this is east and west.
Yeah, feels like it sometimes. Kind of slow today. Ain't much movement. Ain't much buying. I ain't sold like 15. All 9:30. You'd think to be out of line. I finally found out about my stimulus check yesterday why I hadn't got it. My stimulus check, I finally found out yesterday why I hadn't got it yet.
You ever been looking on TV and you'll see like the United Nations doing something? They'll show their flag. Look at their flag. Is it a flag of the globe or is it a flag of the flat Earth?
Flat Earth.
Exactly.
So then you had to get it corrected, and now they're going to send it to me. So I thought, I should have had it. So that was the case. They had to rewrite. Now I got to rewrite it back to me. So I'll get it moved for the next 2 weeks. I can use it. Coming handy. You want to take a month. I mean, I'll get that one a month. Other than this out here, you can't bank on this.
This is the photo that comes with like your cell phones and all of the Earth. But if you zoom in on like on this spot here, you can see that's copy paste, copy paste, copy paste over and over again.
Why is NASA trying to hide that the Earth is flat?
Because of this right here.
For
What is the incentive to lie? NASA's budget is $60 million a day.
Oh. So they don't want to lose all that money.
Exactly. If the Earth was what they say it is 24,900 miles in circumference, then it would curve at 8 inches per mile squared. So when you do a laser test and you set it up a foot off the water, 10 miles away, you can see the laser 1 foot off the water. If it was curved, something would be obstructing it over 10 miles, but nothing obstructs it. You can go out and do these tests all over the world. This here is just demonstrating that the moon's not what they say it is either. The moon emits a cold light. If you take an object and you set it in the shade, and you set it in the moonlight, and the shade is warmer than the direct moonlight. So if you take like aluminum foil and you set it in the shade at night, it's 63.7 degrees. But you set it in moonlight, the temperature drops. So the moon is emitting a cold light, no matter what object you take and set in the shade and the light. You were looking at this photo here. This is Chicago from 52 miles away. If the Earth was curved, it would be 1,800 feet of curvature. So the tallest building in Chicago would be obstructed. You would not be able to see it at all. Yet we can see the whole skyline of Chicago from 52 miles away with nothing obstructing it.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, man. It's good talking to you.
I should do more research on the product.
Yeah, that's all we ask. Just look into it. I'm not trying to convince you of anything. I'm just showing you the proofs and the observations we've made. Just look into it. Thanks. For information, La Tierra es Plana. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Thank you.
Thank you. Free information. Free information, sir. Earth is not a globe. 200 proofs.
They run about 75 medium line.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. All right. Thank you.
Y'all at the river?
Free information. Earth is not a globe.
All three of these are nice cars. You get in the race right.
Free information, ma'am? La Tierra es Plana. No oscuro. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. These are just videos with proofs of flat Earth on it. Like we can see Venus at night. You know the model of the solar system, you know, Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth. So in order for it to be nighttime, we face away from the sun, but we can look up in the sky and see Venus. How is that possible?
Energy from the planet itself. Because it's a star. So every planet is a star, and every planet you can see from miles.
Right, but if here's a little demonstration. If the sun is here, and we'll call this the dark part because it's facing away from the sun. If we're standing here and it's dark, how can we see Venus that's between these two objects? Because Venus has to be over here, because in their model, Venus is between the Earth and the sun. Even if Venus was going around and it was over here, if you're here, you can't see it. But we can take videos of it every night of Venus.
Yeah, I still think because all stars illuminate.
Right. It's bright.
Straight next to his house.
Right. But if it would be daytime, it doesn't matter. We're on the dark side. This video is taken at
So
nighttime.
you're in the dark side on this side. How can you see it from this side?
Exactly. But here's a video of it, and we can do this, many nights out of the year. And we can send up a weather balloon up to 120,000 feet with a camera on it without a fisheye lens, and the Earth is flat. Yet NASA shows us videos at 100,000 feet, that's lower than this, with extreme curvature, because they use fisheye lens. And a lot of people say the thing that makes them think it's a globe is sunsets. They can look at the sun. This is what you would see with your naked eye, but this is what you would see with a camera when you zoom in. The sun is not actually setting. It moves away from us until it gets to a point where it fades away. You'll see it right there. See how the sun fades away? It doesn't actually set. That's because it's traveling over the flat Earth. That doesn't work on a globe model. So our optics have outgrown their lies. We can zoom in and we can see stuff.
Well, the plan was.
Like I personally, when I was getting into flat Earth, when I first heard about it, I thought it was crazy. So I went out and tried to do experiments and tests for myself. So I set up a camera 3 feet off the surface of the water, 11 miles away. I put a mirror up and went back to the camera, and I looked at the camera. Not only could I see the mirror, I could see the 3-foot pole that it was attached to.
Yeah, but then how do you?
If the Earth curves at 8 inches per mile squared, how is that possible?
But how do you justify or get around the folks that are on
I got drinks of water for sale now.
space bases
Hey, y'all, I got drinks of water for sale. We use them. I don't know how.
looking at the Earth?
Right. So all that is, so NASA gets
Or
60.
a satellite that moves away and is looking at it and sends transmitting back.
Right, but all that CGI. NASA gets $60 million a day to fake all this. $60 million a day. Why not? If you can create fear with people, talking about like asteroids and stuff hitting the Earth, things like that. So at this point, we're just speculation. I can provide you with tons of proof, but why they're doing it, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean everything has a purpose to it. I'm in the business of deception for the military, so everything has a reason for it. So it just doesn't have a game to it.
Maybe there's more lands beyond Antarctica. Because in our model, you have the Antarctic ice wall. Maybe there's more lands out here. But if, we don't go there, because in 1959, they had the Antarctic Treaty, and you're not allowed to go beyond the 60th South parallel, except for some cruises and stuff. They'll drop you over here at like the North Shetland Islands, tell you you're in Antarctica, but you're not actually in Antarctica. You're off the coast of South America.
So this has website links to it, right?
FlatEarth101.com. And we got a new one coming up called the GlobeLounge.com.
I've never heard of your organization.
Well, it's not an organization. I'm just out here spreading truth. Yeah, I pay for all this out of my own pocket. I make these banners and stuff. Other people can make these online. You can order them. And it's not really an organization. It's just a group of people that want to know the truth.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm a rich man. I got to make a money. If he finished, it's good. I believe. I think.
You guys got any new equipment out here?
Not yet. I got some new stuff coming, but we've got video footage of from 120,000 feet.
I can't see that.
Oh. So as you can see, the sun is right there above the Earth, and it's flat. That's from 120,000 feet.
Can't see that. Okay, I see the horizon.
And it's not spinning at 1,000 miles an hour either.
What, the Earth or the sun?
The Earth and the globe model spins at 1,036 miles an hour at the equator.
Right.
And then, so they keep sending people up to space supposedly, and it's a vacuum. This is what happens, not even the vacuum of space, but this is what happens when you apply a vacuum to something.
What's happening?
It implodes.
It what?
It implodes.
Oh, okay.
It's going to show you again here. You introduce a vacuum to something, that's what happens.
What Venus at night?
So this here's a video of Venus taken at nighttime. And what's significant about that is in the globe model, in the heliocentric model, if the Earth is here and the sun is here, we'll call this dark side because it's facing away from the sun.
Right.
So Venus, it goes sun, Mercury, Venus, then Earth.
Okay.
So if Venus is over here and it's nighttime, we're facing away from the sun, how can you see it?
That's if we straight lined up. What about off at an angle?
So even if Venus is over here in the middle of the night, I still can't take a photo of it if I'm over here. Even if Venus is all the way over here at that angle.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
Mm-hmm. No matter how you line them up, you can't see Venus at nighttime.
And what did the sunset do?
So you can look at a sunset, and this is what you would see with your naked eye, but this is what happens when you zoom in. See how the sun never set, it just faded away?
Right.
That's because the Earth is flat and stationary like this, and the sun travels around it like this. So it's like if I grab a flashlight and I back away from you, and I keep backing away, eventually you're not going to see the light anymore. It's not because the Earth curved, it's because light only travels so far.
I like that idea about the sun.
So if the sun, if this was a globe model and the sun was 93 million miles away, we're to believe that it's fading away because it, it's a couple extra miles added to it. It's traveling 93 million miles. And now we're at 93 million and let's say 100. And now you can't see it anymore all of a sudden.
And what's this about the Antarctic?
So this is the Flat Earth, Sun, Moon, and Zodiac Clock app. This is an app you can download on your phone, and it answers all your questions. And then, so any question you have on like how do seasons work on a flat Earth, what about gravity or other planets around, and it's got a compass on it, and it shows you how the sun and the moon travel around the flat Earth.
That's interesting.
It is. Thank you. Free information.
I'll buy it over here. You got a notebook pad?
I may have a notebook pad now.
Sure, I'll take that notebook pad. What it is? I'm setting prices on you.
This thing keeps disconnecting all the time. There we go. We're back. Sorry about that, guys. It was buffering.
I thought one thing you need that little, yeah. That looks like an older one. Not older, pretty old.
I need to tie that side down with all the wind.
Yeah, it blew away one time.
Yeah. I tried to get my brother to come, but he didn't want to come.
I say 80. I was giving it to you. I needed somewhere in that neighborhood. Yeah. Right, yeah.
There was a few people coming that aren't coming. I know Karen and Ted were coming, but Karen wasn't feeling well, so.
Yeah, I just got her text. She's got a toothache or something.
Mm-hmm.
Was that her?
Yeah, that was her.
Yeah.
But Law's coming.
Yeah, I know. I just got off the phone with him.
Vinny, Calvin. Ace said he might come.
Yeah. Ace McLeod? He's real? I thought he was made up.
Nah, you're a real person.
He's a real person. Okay, I thought that everybody was joking about that. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, calm down. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, this is my first live stream.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I finally got enough viewers and view hours. You'd have like 1,000 viewers or 1,000 subs, it is, and 4,000 hours of video view time to stream from a mobile. Now you can stream from a computer. But... Free information. Earth is not a globe. Earth is flat and stationary. Free information.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra is Plena. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Earth is flat and stationary. Learn more. Free information. Earth is not a globe. The Earth is flat and stationary. Free information. Earth is flat, not a globe. Learn more. Thank you. La Tierra es plana. Gracias. So it sounds like Dr. La's on the way. We got Gerald out here with us now. Calvin's on the way. Benny should have a good group. La Tierra es plana.
It must have tasted good, huh?
I need that.
I heard that one. Woo!
Wow, 20 people. Thanks for coming, guys. Earth is not a globe. La Tierra es plana. Learn more. Earth is not a globe. Thank you, sir. The Earth is not a globe. The Earth is flat and stationary. Free information. The girl pulled him away. He talking about turn around. No, grab that. Grab one of them. Free information. Earth is not a globe. The Earth is flat and stationary. 200 proofs. Plenty of videos on it showing you the Earth is not a globe. Just look into it. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Hey, you got that popcorn flavor?
Yeah, I sure do.
Free information, ma'am. Thank you. These guys have been out here how long? What? 3 hours now? Not a single person has stopped to ridicule me. No one's making fun of me. They'll say no thank you, move on if they're not interested. But most people are receptive to it. They want to know the truth. Anybody can get out and do this. Just print you up some flyers. You don't even have to come out to a flea market like this. When you get people one-on-one, they're not in a group, You know, they're not being pressured by the people around them to believe a certain thing. They're willing to open their minds, look into things, and decide for themselves. And, you know, that's all you can really ask for from somebody.
Venom.
Free information? Earth is not a globe. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Thanks, sir. Thank you. Free information, sir. La Tierra es plana. So he said no, then I said it in Spanish, and he took one. Free information. Learn more about the world we live in. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Earth is flat. Earth is flat. Free information. La Tierra es plana. And it's just sometimes it's just how you relate to people. They don't feel comfortable, you know, if you don't speak their language. If you speak their language, they'd be more comfortable taking the information that you have.
Don't leave this, I can't help with that. How you doing?
Free information. Thank you. Earth is not a globe. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it right here.
Free information, sir? Oh. No? All right. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Thank you. Thank you. Earth is not a globe. The earth is flat. Free information. Free information, sir. Thank you. See, a lot of people, they say they don't want to come out and do stuff like this because they're afraid of what people will think. As you can see, I've been out here for hours. What's the worst anyone's done? Laugh? Free information? Thank you, ma'am. La Tierra es plana. Free information. La Tierra es plana. Free information. Gracias. Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you. I agree, calm down. It's just, when you talk to people, you talk to them the way that you'd want to be talked to and treated. You be calm and cool and collected. Yes, sir, free information? Right. I'm not trying to force beliefs on anyone. I mean, as a flat earther, it's not a belief. We know it's true. We've gone out and done the test. If you believe in flat earth, you're not really a flat earther. You're just someone that believes in something. You're no better off than when you believed in the globe. But when you can go out and prove it to yourself and do these experiments, then you're a flat earther. Free information, guys. Free information. La Tierra es plana. Free information. La Tierra es plana. So many masks. So many masks. Sometimes they have them on and then pull them down and then put them back up. Free information, guys? Thank you. Free information, guys. Free information. Free information, sir. Earth is not a globe. Free information, ma'am?
Thank you.
Thank you. La Tierra es plana. Earth is not a globe. No oscuro.
I do the best I can. That's it.
I got everything out here for sale today. They got clothes. Oh, this is in South Carolina. Yeah, there's a lot of masks out here. We are in West Columbia, South Carolina, at the U.S. #1 flea market. This is our setup. We have the truth wall with the videos going on them. Or the flat earth model, some more flyers. Proofs that you can observe for yourself. Just a little test you can go outside and do for yourself to prove the earth is not a globe. Then we got the big banner, the Gleason's map, the flat earth map, or the flat earth flag, Flat Earth University. Space is fake, 200 proofs. Research flat earth. Yeah, we are working on that right now. I agree, calm down. It's a waste of time for tell somebody to research flat earth. Because if you go to research flat earth, all you're going to find is misinformation. You're not going to find the information. So we are getting new flyers. They're going to be all about the globe is a lie. They're going to promote the new website we got, theglobelielounge.com. And on there, there's going to be a link where they can come and talk to actual flat earthers if they have any questions. So we don't want it just end here. We don't want to just hand them a brochure. They learn about it, they try to research, and if they have questions, they don't really have anywhere to turn to. So we're gonna have a room set up where they can come chat with us 24/7 with real flat earthers or globe deniers.
Yeah, one top eye. Yeah, really. So, you know, like.
Because none of us came to this overnight. We all need somebody to talk to once we realize the truth.
His contract up into you anyway, so he ain't gonna have a job, but he's gonna go ahead and say he's retired, make it sound good. I'm retired. If you ain't gonna have a ride, you might as well start retired.
Free information, ma'am? Free information? La Tierra es plana. La Tierra es plana. Abriendo los ojos.
Right, yeah, he was good there. Hey, come in. All right, man, you How's the other babies you got? They good? The other babies, did you get them moves last week? Hey, I did. I've seen you with them before. I think I must have bought a couple.
Free information. Free information, guys? All right. Yeah, I assumed he wasn't going to take one since he was wearing 2 masks. Free information, sir? Thank you. Earth is not a globe. He agrees. Earth is not a globe. You still believe it's a globe? Wow, I'm surprised he didn't stop by today. That's a troll that comes by every time we out here and talks for about an hour. I'm sure he'll turn around and come back.
Go back to cold water.
Don't wear it. There ain't no need for it. Free information.
$2 for $1. Water. Yes, ma'am. That cheap enough? That's what I want to hear. Oh, well, let me get to it.
Free information. The Earth is not a globe. The Earth is flat and stationary. La Tierra es plana. Free information. Oh yeah, you can take one of those. Thank you.
Oh, that's right. I didn't even check the video, but I did see it. I'm looking for Sharon. The one with the red.
Free information, sir. Thank you. Free information. Earth is not a globe. The Earth is flat. Free information. How you doing, sir? Doing great. On this flat stationary plane we live on.
That's cold drink and cold water, by the way, if you need some.
I didn't check them though. I was supposed to open them. I ain't had time. All this booty on me.
Free information.
Over there. $10 for $1. Yes. It's probably 30, 35 years old, I'm thinking. I got some stuff from the guy that was stuff that was cool enough. A lot of stuff got was probably 30, 40 years old. It's like this pipe which out there, it's probably going to get the one pipe.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
It's definitely different. Yep. Hey, let me hit one of your pants.
There you go. Just look into it.
Mask on there. I can't breathe with my mask. See that one girl has to, I can't breathe on mask.
Yeah, of course you can't breathe because she's wearing a mask.
No, that's what I'm thinking too.
Free information, sir. Learn Earth is not a globe. Free information, sir? Thank you. La Tierra es plana. Free information. La Tierra es plana. Gracias. Here's your sign. Free information.
We just gotta open up the pockets somehow.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Leggings, $3. Leggings, got nice leggings. If not, I'm gonna keep it. I might keep it and make something. One thing about these pots, I want you to put a little oil in them because I don't know.
Free information, sir?
Not a new pot.
Thank you. La Tierra es plana. Free information. Free information. Gracias.
Leggings. How you doing? Organic soap. I got organic soap. Jabón excelente.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Thank you.
Thank you. 200 proofs on that site.
You need no lotion with it in the summer. Oh, I know what I went to get. Oh, I know what I went to get.
Man, wearing a mask with a filter, but no gloves, and we'll take a flyer that I've been touching. Seems about right. La Tierra es plana. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Earth is flat. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Earth is flat and stationary. 200 proofs. Free information, man. Earth is not a globe. Just look into it. I know, I thought it was funny too to start with.
I went across some CDs last weekend. Looked at CDs and a DVD collection of Warner.
Free information. Free information, man. Thank you. Here you go, bud. Oh, Gabriel Iglesias. Fluffy shirt. Free information. La Tierra es plana. Gracias. Free information, ma'am? Thank you. Earth is not a globe. Free information. La Tierra es plana. Gracias.
Nice print.
Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
What's up, buddy?
Free information, sir?
No, thank you, buddy.
All right.
Okay? So far?
Free information. Earth is not a globe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Free information.
No, thank you.
Right. Free information, man? Wow, 23 people. Thanks for coming, guys. Free information, sir? Thank you.
Like when I use my cell phone, I do this. So it absorbs radiation. They all got a magnet in it too.
Free information?
No, thank you.
Free information.
Be careful, okay?
And that's a good deal because online they sell them for like $30 or more. But I make sure I got enough. You see how heavy it is, right? With magnetism in there, crystal. They change it to that negative here, negative in the that was all this phone was okay, thank you. Let me get back.
Free information. La Tierra es plana. Gracias. Free information. La Tierra es plana. Gracias. What's up, Vinny? How you doing? Doing good. I'm live streaming.
Oh, nice.
First time. Us, Gerald's here too. Gerald, he's walking around now.
Sheila came with me.
Oh.
Met me in my house. We drove up. He's out shopping, food shopping.
Hey, they got some diced pig's feet for sale right over there, man. They look good.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
A little too greasy. Yeah, he called me up this morning and said, you want a cow cool? Meet me in my house.
Sweet.
So, that's why I'm late. Not late now.
I know Karen can't make it though.
She can't make it?
No. She wasn't feeling well.
There are a few people here. I was watching you driving up there, and said a few people aren't going to make it.
Oh, really?
Didn't you say that?
Yeah. I know Karen and Ted aren't coming, and Kurt and Crystal can't make it. She's working. So. We still should have a good group. I know Jack can't come because it's a Saturday. We'll have to do one on Sunday. Yeah, Law's coming. Calvin.
I got a chance.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see when I'm watching you all the way.
Yeah, I saw it was said. It was like, oh, there's 24 people in chat. Ain't nothing really going on right now, though. I've had a few people stop and we've talked for a while, but a couple of kids.
There's a lot of masks.
There is a lot of masks. Free information, sir? Thank you. Free information. Earth is not a globe. Free information.
Back in the swing now. How did your job go in Georgia?
Good. Yeah, we got it done. Let's see. The first one did Monday. We finished in one day. And Tuesday, I was up near Gilbert. We did one on one day. And Wednesday, back in Georgia again one day. So, yeah. Then I've been down in St. George the last couple of days working.
It was good to have Sea-Land come out, hang out a little bit. So when we get back to the house, I'll show them all my dinosaurs.
Free information. My favorite one is the people who come up there wearing a mask, right? And then I'll hand them a brochure, which I just touched, and then they'll take it with their hand, and they don't even think about it.
No. Same.
One guy earlier passed the test. He was wearing a mask, and I was like, "Why are you wearing a mask?" Because he was kind of woke. He's diet woke, and he was talking. And so, why are you wearing a mask? So, well, my friend said I needed to wear one. I was like, "You just do what people tell you to." I was like, "You're a good sheeple." But he passed the test because I went to shake his hand. He wouldn't shake. He said, "Oh, I'm not shaking hands right now." I was like, "I try to get you."
I came here to get a rotary orbital sander, the DeWalt one, battery.
Nobody has one? Did you check down there?
They got the square one.
Yeah, those Mexican fellows are down there that sell the DeWalt stuff.
My wife and my daughter, they got to work on all kinds of projects.
Free information.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I ain't really need earrings. Is it me wearing earrings?
No, that's earrings.
The guys wear
I'm
earrings.
gonna walk down there and have some. I'm gonna see if that DeWalt guy.
All right. Yeah.
Organic soap, shea butter, vitamin E, coconut oil.
Vinny is on the move. He is walking down, handing out flyers to everybody. That's good. Get out as many as we can.
This is posted here on about NASCAR, about something of the flag or something.
First, some on-track news. Late yesterday afternoon, NASCAR announced they would ban the Confederate flag.
Come on, turn around.
Here is their statement. The presence of the Confederate flag at NASCAR events runs contrary to our commitment to providing a welcoming and inclusive environment for all fans, our competitors, and our industry. Bringing people together around a love for racing and the community that it creates is what makes our fans and
Come on, turn around. There it is.
the display of the Confederate flag will be prohibited at NASCAR events
And properties.
David and Regan, guys, it's great to have you with us on the hunt today. David, I want to start with you and get your reaction to NASCAR's announcement from yesterday.
They can't say anything out of the way, even they get fired. If they say anything about it, they get fired. That's why they don't say nothing. That's why a lot of them ain't saying anything, because they never get fired. One guy, truck guy, quit. He said he quit racing because of it. And one flagman got fired because he said something about it. They fired him. One that does the flag, was waving the flag.
Yeah.
They fired him because he said something about it.
Crazy.
You know, I never got my other bottle of water from you. I probably drink it by
Free information. La Tierra Plena. Information. Earth is not a globe. Free information?
No.
La Tierra Spana. Free information. Thank you, sir. All right, just look into it. Vinny's getting all the people before they can come down here. Free information? Thank you, sir. Free information now? Yep. La Tierra es plana. La Tierra es plana.
Yeah, we got the square ones.
They just got the square ones, they don't have the orbitals. There's a few tools on that table I'm gonna pick up before I go.
The what?
A few tools on this table I need to pick up before I go. The strippers right there, almost brand new. Kleins. See what the price he wants on them are. I do need a pair of dikes too. I need these.
Nice, you got the tent up.
Oh yeah, tent, shade.
Screens now.
Yeah, 2 more iPads broke. What happened is they went to automatically update, and since these are so old, there's no update version anymore. So we're down to 5 iPads. Mm-hmm.
Just like the picture I took.
Yeah, Amanda took this video from her house. Like, it makes sense on a globe model.
Birds go in and out, back and forth too.
Hmm?
Or she's doing that.
Yeah, she's doing it in.
Mine, I loved it there. You saw her going.
Mm-hmm. Weird. Free information, sir? Thank you. He was wearing a mask with a filter. Still takes one. She went off on a rant earlier talking about, you know, when I see people riding down the road and they're sitting in their car and wearing a mask, she said, I'm going to slap, I just want to roll down the window and slap that mask off their face.
Thank you.
I had a lady, I've got a job.
¿No quieres un montaña?
La Tierra es plana.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And had a lady doing a job, and the lady's walking her dog, right? She's got a mask on. She's walking down the street, and I'm parked on the front of the house, right? The street's right here, next to me. Walk down the street, and she got probably 300 feet, 200 feet from us. She went on people's lawns to pass, and then once she passed the end of them out, she went back on the street.
Avoiding you like the plague. Wink, wink.
So bad.
How you doing, man?
Information.
La Tierra es plana. Gracias. Just look into it. Earth is not a globe. Earth is not a globe. It's free information. Learn more about the world we live in. You up there flying?
On television?
No. This is reality. This isn't television.
I don't have time to read it now.
You can read it later.
Thank you.
You're welcome. La Tierra es plana. Oh yeah, she said she was going to make the other flyer. And I know they're working on the website now. Because I don't want to keep giving out flat earth stuff. I'd rather it be the globe is a lie, you know, or globe lie. Like I changed the board up here. It says the globe is a lie instead of flat earth. Because, I mean, it's a waste of time telling people to research flat earth, because if they go research it, you're gonna find misinformation, not the information.
Like my brother, I saw my brother. I said, "Have you looked into it?" He goes, "Yeah, look." Not looking at it. But I got him to click on Raw last Sunday. don't think he listened to the whole thing, but it was a little.
Brian, will you keep an eye on him?
Come here, G.
Will you keep an eye on him?
Yeah. Right?
La Tierra es Plena. Free information. Gracias. Might give you this for a while so I can run in the bathroom real quick. Been here for like 4 hours.
What time did you get here?
I got here at 6:30, 6:15, something like that. But I didn't start streaming until about 9 or 7:30 maybe.
Free information. Free information?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look into it. Free information. Free information, sir. All right. Look into it. Thank you. Free information?
Oh, well, then you didn't pay it off. Man, what's everybody at? Ain't nobody buying that.
Five minutes. We're back live now.
Yes, sir.
It was buffering. Man, we went offline down to 4 viewers. I had 35 earlier this morning.
How's it going?
Earth is nautical.
Interlocking pieces. It better be interlocking. If it's not interlocking, it's no good.
Talk to her. Ask her about the puzzle.
That means rid of radiation. Get rid of it. It's good to wear. And also it keeps the chemtrail away from you. And just imagine if you're growing vegetables, when you put them in the yard, keep some chemtrails from falling on your food.
Magnetically?
There's magnetism in there because I have brake shavings and magnets and got crystals and copper. Copper absorbs, magnet pull or push away.
Do you know this is a Faraday clothing?
Yeah.
This is Faraday clothing.
You gotta be kidding. That material costs money.
I know.
The canopy for the bed costs more than $1,000, and they got the paint too.
Yeah.
They got the paint.
I know. Do you have any clothing or paint?
No, I don't.
No?
I wanna, I'm thinking about Faraday in my bed because I saw these people Faraday and they got food under it. They got flashlights, radio. Radio ain't gonna play when you're in Faraday. If that radio plays, there's an opening in there somewhere.
Right. If I take off this and I wrap my phone in this, then it lives through.
How much that cost you?
This like $60.
See, they're up here. They cost money.
Yeah.
But they're good to have.
This is like 120, I think. It just depends what you get. This is like 120 or so.
Woo!
Yeah.
That's what I have to get material. It has that. There's copper too. Copper's in that material.
Silver.
You can also blow copper.
What's up, man? Y'all got some questions?
We seen you last time you was here.
Yeah.
Happened to everybody, Tommy.
I know. between all the text messages and the people I talked to online, I had 20 people say they'd be out here today. Only 4 of us right now. Gerald's walking around.
Some are.
And those are the ones that are going to shut up.
Yeah. They're being quiet. Well, how much is one?
Oh, those are $4. The one with the chains on them are $5.
That's not that much.
I wear 2. Look at me. I even shower in them. I don't even want to take them off most of the time.
It's like a desk item?
Yeah, that one there with the copper and the crystal coming up counterclockwise to knock the chemtrails out the way. Yep. I loaded that one. That was $25. I had them lower, but I put the crystal in there with the copper, so that make it more because I have to pay for that little crystal inside. Yeah.
Do you make these?
You
make these?
Yeah, I make.
How much is
it? That was 15.
I'll be happy to support it.
Yeah. Man, you'd be surprised.
There you go. We're out here at the flea market, spreading the truth about flat Earth. The lady right across from us is really woke. She makes crystals
That's right. When things hit the
to
fan,
keep
they'll be
away
looking and looking for
chemtrails, radiation.
Thank you.
There's woke people everywhere.
Flat Earth before? Flat Earth?
Yeah.
That's not, you have?
I got a flyer. I got a flyer from him. Yeah, I was reading about it. Ain't that something? I had a feeling. Because I was in Florida. The airplane just flew, and for miles I saw flat land, and the oranges lined up perfectly. And I'm like, for this world to be around, why we see this stuff up here all the time? Don't it ever disappear if we're moving around?
Right.
If we're moving around and there's round.
We don't ever see the bottom of a plane as it dips. So.
Yeah.
And no pilot ever testifies that they dip the nose down to compensate for curvature.
And then when we drove to Canada, as soon as you get across the border, you can see for I think hundreds of miles. That's why they say you can go 100 miles per hour by car. When you get to Canada, flat land, you can just see. Like, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
You know? We've been lied to about a lot of things. We believe them and we trust them, and look where it got us.
That's true.
Yeah.
Got us in trouble. You know, using God's elements to protect ourselves.
Sure. I've been curious about this, so I don't know much about it, but I need to get like a crystal or something.
And you want to know something? The man that designed that, they threw him in jail, took all his paperwork out, and when he was supposed to come out, he supposedly committed suicide that day. And he was supposed to come out. I don't know his name. He's on the internet. Google him. He's on the internet. He tells about organite, and then he contradicts himself in another video saying, oh, no, it doesn't really work. You got him scared. So there's 2 videos. One that tells you about the power and what's good, and the other one, oh, you know, it doesn't really work. No. It does, because I tested it. I had to make sure for myself. And I walk around with this, and I don't be going chemtrail. Clearing your throat. Hear everybody talking on the video. Everybody's doing that. They accumulate mucus because they're sucking that stuff up in your body's fighting against it, forming mucus. And Dick Gregory said there's only one, Dr. Sadie said there's only one disease, and it's called mucus. Lung cancer, mucus. Heart problems, mucus buildup. Everything is mucus forming. So stay away from dairy and meats because they put all that stuff in it. And also, they're supposed to be drinking soda.
I know.
A body acidic, and that don't help none. But I just had to have one out here.
Well, they poo-poo on the pH diet, but they don't realize that the reason why the blood doesn't change pH that much is because it's constantly buffered. Like calcium buffering, lymphatic system, the blood must maintain between 7.35 and 7.45 pH. They don't see a change much, so they're like, oh, that theory is garbage. But the body's constantly buffering it. That's why the blood is constantly the same. So other areas are being impacted, not the blood.
And then you have to raise your vibration. Your chakra, you have to raise your vibration. Positive energy, positive stuff. If you're negative and always depressed and scared, and you're down. You can't be down. You gotta be up.
Well, fear
fear shuts down the adrenal glands, which shuts down the kidneys.
Mm-hmm.
So kidneys are the number one eliminated organ.
And I get mixed up between alpha and beta. Your mind has to be, I think, in a beta state, not alpha. I forgot. I got them both mixed up. Alpha and beta. One of them. Your mind
They serve two purposes. It's just being used wrong. Alpha wave brain state. It's a legitimate state. All animals go into it. It's like when you see like a dog hyper focus on a squirrel, and nothing, he blanks everything else out. That's alpha wave brain state. The TV hacks into that. Basically hacks into your body, the processes, force you to alpha wave brain state because it's like a flickering. It's a flicker you can't even perceive. It's subconscious. Yeah. And it puts you in alpha wave brain state, which makes you hyper focused and blank everything else out. And your subconscious is seeing all the subliminal messages.
Oh yeah, and it's in the pictures too, and the cartoons for the kids and all that stuff. See, they want us to do the digital and get rid of the analog and have the little digital converter and all that, and then the music.
That's just a money thing.
The music has something in it to make people. It attacks you. It attacks your vibrations. Music. It's crazy. There's so many things we can't even. They'll take for granted. Put it that way. We don't even know that they're detrimental to our health.
You can tell you're in alpha wave brain state if somebody like calls your name and you look away but your eyes are still locked. That's alpha wave brain state.
Yeah, I just
that's kind of like
well, thank you so much.
I was in a different mode there. That's what it is.
Oh wow, like a tunnel vision sort of thing. Focus, like a tunnel vision, like one thing.
Yeah, if you're like if your eyes are glued to it, you're like, what's that? Like your eyes are still glued to it. That's like alpha wave brain state. Well, that's you're going out of it, like when you break.
And we all have a brain print, and it's
Soda, same price.
got everybody's brain print. That's why you can take that. The guy shoot her back. You come back. What? Me?
We opened it. Make sure it's getting cold.
What are you talking about?
I put a couple there. Let's go. I put the other down at the bottom. So
somebody else.
They closed it up a little bit. But they should be getting.
You gotta look it up.
Yeah, about a mile. I put the bag out this morning. Yeah, last night. So it's still cold. So I probably I think I can sell me anymore anyway. But the rest of the day look like. I spent more on other stuff than I was
How y'all doing today? La Tierra, Spana. No Esquiro. Mira. See? Flat.
Probably what's about 1,000 now. That one is probably. That's probably one of those specific ones I'll be out there. They
Hey, you want to cover up your license?
I got a few more stuff. I got a date on the win. I got it first championship for 1980. I got it around here.
Earth is not a globe. Free information. La Tierra Plana. La Tierra es plana. Free information. It's free. Gracias.
That's very important. That sleep is very important. People realize how important that sleep is.
Earth is not a globe. Yeah, since for like, I think I've been live streaming for 200 minutes. And then I got a few videos before I started live streaming. This lady over here is super woke. She's selling anti-radiation stuff. She said she's gonna slap the mask off somebody's face. Said I saw somebody riding down the road and they had a mask on while they were driving. Said, I'm not looking at you because I like your car. I'm looking at you because you're stupid. Said, I'm going to roll down your window and slap that mask off your face.
People are waking up, but I mean, I was at Aldi. I had to stop by Aldi. There's more people wearing masks now. and they're afraid. They're afraid of the virus. I don't understand what's going on with these people.
Last night they come out on the news and said yesterday was the worst day yet for South Carolina. The most cases in one day. But I was like, that's because they tripled the testing. If you test 3 times as many people, the number of people that test positive, it doesn't matter if it's real or not, it's still going to come up to be more.
There are more people not wearing it. I saw one of my neighbors who had one on. And, you know, I saw him before at Aldi. And he was taking it off, you know. He wanted to give me the elbow bump. I was like, man, get out of here. You know, he's like, oh, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. And I saw him again today. Gloves and mask. It's unbelievable. Oh, man. That's, everyone's not showing up.
There ain't but 5 of us here right now. It's you got Vinny, you got Sealand, me, Gerald, and you.
Gerald left.
Oh, he was walking around, he said.
He said it's too hot. It feels cool to me. I was exhausted yesterday.
For information, you did some soccer yesterday.
At the CIU.
I saw that watermelon.
Oh yeah.
That looked good.
I was gonna bring him on here. I can do it here. I got my carving stuff here. I mean, you want me to go grab a water, people? All right, I'll go look.
All right. Free information. Free information.
Let me give a Sealand.
Earth is not a globe, but the Earth is flat. Free information. 200 proofs. La Tierra es plana.
Yeah, I got a lot of them. I got probably, I don't know, 50 or 60 in my bones.
Free information. Thank you. Earth is not a globe. Free information. La Tierra es plana. La Tierra es plana.
I'm gonna find a watermelon. I'm gonna carve it.
Awesome.
And it'll bring people here.
Yeah, I know he was on late. He was on Discord.
Got to make sure this is charging. Yeah, we might have to just stop the live stream for a little bit because it says we're at 2% battery, so it might go south.
And you have a charger in your pocket.
I know. It's charging, but it's not. I guess it's using more battery than it's charging.
You're still live streaming?
Yeah, I think I'm going to turn it off for a second. Hey, guys watching the live stream, I'm going to turn it off for about 10-15 minutes, let this phone charge back up, and we'll come back on. I guess I've been on here for a little while. 3.5 hours. All right, guys.
Best place to find outside.